today we're gonna make some slime. First, you'll need a bowl and some clear glue. The next thing we need to do is to take a piece of our cheesecloth and dip it into the mixture. Now let's dip our cheesecloth into our glue mixture. Make sure it's fully saturated. So this step is really important, but you want to make sure that your cheesecloth is completely covered in the glue. Cheesecloth ghosts. These are so cute and so easy to make. And now we're going to use these to decorate our pumpkins. Now you're going to take some of these fun googly eyes. Here is our finished ghost. Isn't that cute? So you want to take your white cloth, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. Okay, now that we have our ball of yarn, we're gonna go ahead and make our pumpkin. The funnest way to get your fruit in on Halloween.
We are making a craft. You need some googly eyes, wine glasses, and pumpkin stickers.
The first thing you want to do is grab your glasses. This papier-mâché glue is perfect for sculpting. The consistency is just right. You'll also need some cheesecloth. I folded mine in half just to make it a little thicker. Now that you have it all draped, just play with it and shape it to how you'd like your ghost to look. I'm making sure all the glue is dissolved. I think it's ready for our fabric now.
Now, grab your cheesecloth and drape it over the balloon.